Online car shopping can be frustrating, and inaccurate vehicle descriptions and buried feature content only add to that frustration. When shoppers can't easily determine if a vehicle has their desired features, they'll quickly move along to other searches. Inaccurate vehicle descriptions and buried feature content often results in missed sales opportunities. The time for more clearly defined vehicle descriptions that target online shoppers at every touchpoint is here. Introducing ChromeData VIN Descriptions, your next-gen industry standard VIN decode and description service from J.D. Power. ChromeData VIN Descriptions utilize the deep and comprehensive ChromeData 30-year vehicle data catalog, plus configuration rules and industry-leading data engineering capabilities. VIN-specific details from new and used vehicle inventory that's aggregated from over 60,000 franchise and independent dealers, and access to the most OEM build data in the industry to deliver the most accurate and complete VIN descriptions possible for every vehicle. ChromeData VIN Descriptions include all known installed packages, features, and equipment for nearly every vehicle listed for sale, while showcasing the most important features with customer-friendly marketing descriptions, benefit statements, and equipment definitions. ChromeData VIN Descriptions are fully configurable and available in a tiered approach, giving you the precise data you need to serve the demands of your business and streamline your operations. When you only need the basics, choose ChromeData VIN Descriptions Standard. It provides accurate data on core vehicle features such as year, make, model, and 31 points of data, giving you the basics at a corresponding price point. When you need comprehensive vehicle data, step up to Premium. The Premium tier brings together our proprietary ChromeData catalog with industry-leading VIN data engineering capabilities to deliver a complete picture of each vehicle. When you need extra peace of mind, ChromeData VIN Descriptions Premium Plus is an easy choice. Premium Plus delivers vehicle descriptions with the highest degree of accuracy in the industry by verifying each VIN description against OEM build data. It's time to edge out your competitors and satisfy more customers with ChromeData VIN Descriptions, a revolutionary new service from J.D. Power.